let's talk about a very important cryptocurrency that goes by the name of Polygon, aka Matic. So I'm sure you guys remember back in the day, before it transitioned to the Polygon network, right? This particular cryptocurrency was just basically called Matic, and Matic is a layer 2 solution for the Ethereum network, and it basically uses the Ethereum network as its base network. So this particular cryptocurrency has been performing very well, and I'm sure you guys can see this amazing pump today, right? I mean, if we look at the previous performance, right, for the past few days, you can see this parabolic rise, and it has been performing very well. So a lot of you might be wondering, is it a good time to FOMO and get into the Polygon network right now and just pretty much get to invest in the Matic coin? So that's obviously a little bit risky for you at this particular moment. However, we are clearly in an uptrend. One thing that you have to realize and accept is we are in an uptrend. And remember what I told you, what I've been telling you the past few days, right? So this is the path to the altcoin season. First of all, Bitcoin pumps, then Ethereum, then large cap cryptocurrencies. So what we're seeing right now is we're seeing the transitioning of the flow of money from BTC into Ethereum, into large caps, and finally we're going to get into the small cap, and this is going to be like the full-fledged out season. So the other thing that you have to remember is the reason why Polygon network is pumping right now is because Ethereum did do its thing, and it actually reached as high as $4,000 and due to the fact that Polygon network is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum, right? Like if Ethereum gets a lot of momentum and there's like a lot of activity, right, obviously that shine is going to be trickled down to the layer 2 solution. So this is one of the reasons why we are seeing the pumping of Polygon network, because it does move in tandem with Ethereum. And the other coin that you're going to see pump in the next coming few days is obviously Ethereum Classic, because Ethereum Classic sort of is in the same realm with Ethereum, Polygon network, and Ethereum Classic. These guys are like lumped together, so it's not very surprising in the next few days if we see the price of Ethereum Classic sort of pumping. And as you can see right over here, right, obviously it did face a little bit of correction, and once the correction is done, it's going to make another move to the upside. So this is the only reason why Matic and the Matic, market makers are probably pumping the price of Matic, because if they lose this particular momentum of Ethereum, they're not really going to like make an impact. They're not going to make an impact in this particular, bull festival. So this is one of the reasons why everybody's working together. The whales, the market makers, and the retail money is beginning to FOMO. So if you see such movements, right, obviously it's not really ideal to buy the top, right? It's always better for you to like sort of wait for a little bit of a retracement, because if we take a look at the chart, right, I mean, first of all, let's look at the Matic/BTC chart, because it has got like way much more data. So obviously in the past we did spend a lot of years and times just sort of in this particular accumulation phase, and after we had that significant crash in June, right, December, we had this little bit of a pullback, and now we are beginning to have this parabolic rise towards the upside. So obviously at this particular moment, right, getting to buy these particular pumps is not really the smartest thing to do. You have to wait for a little bit of a retracement, and then if it establishes a new base, wherever the price is going to end up establishing a new base, and if you see buying volume coming through by monitoring the buying power, like for example in this particular case, right, you saw the volume sort of lining and flat lining right over there, and then when the buyers started stepping in, right, you saw the significant spike. So those are indications of when you can sort of get to re-enter into a particular project once a retracement is done. So if we take a look at what has been happening, right, so this particular movement could be considered like a bullish flag, and we're going to continue towards the upside. But overall, this thing is I think it's about time. It did its thing, because it has been like in this accumulation phase for a very long time, and this particular cryptocurrency has been around since 2019. So May 10th, 2019, and it's obviously about time. And due to the fact that Ethereum once again is making a lot of noise, and there's a lot of new attention being sort of pointed in Ethereum's direction, right? And due to the fact that Ethereum has now become extremely expensive, right? Obviously, people are looking for cheaper ways to still use the Ethereum network, but sort of find a slightly cheaper alternative. And this is why the layer 2 scaling solution that Matic is providing is coming in handy, and it's probably going to be like very explosive at this particular moment. So if we take a look at their Twitter and their social networks, right, so these guys are pretty much established. They have like a lot of followers, and obviously due to the fact that they are beginning to like sort of continue having this momentum, it's just going to get more and more popular. So as you can see right over here, right, different networks are plugging onto the Polygon network solution, because it's just like very easy, simple plug and play. Because a lot of developers are trying to build on top of Ethereum, but they're trying to avoid the heavy and costly transaction fees in order for them to like execute contracts here and there. So this is one of the reasons why people are beginning to like build on layer 2 solutions, and this is one of the reasons why Matic is probably going to steal this market share in terms of cost efficiency, if I can put it that way. So as you can see right over here on Polygon Networks, aka Matic's Twitter, they have quite a lot of different networks sort of beginning to take advantage, and there's a lot of things that are happening, man. There's a whole lot of things, and I think it's going to do very well, but you just have to be very careful. As you can see, the price of Matic is pumping as we are talking. So a lot of you might be wondering, what is the price prediction of Matic, and how high is it going to end up going? Is it going to end up going to $3? I really think $3 is like not even doubtable right now. It's not really something you can sort of doubt is going to happen. Probably $5. The peak of the bull run, we could see this particular token reach as high as 60 billion. We can see that. So basically that's like going to be a 3x 5x from now. So if we take a look at the what's the market cap of Ethereum? So the market cap of Ethereum is 397 billion. So in comparison to the measly 15 billion, I'm saying measly. I'm so funny. 15 billion is a lot of money, man. I'm so funny. So yeah, in comparison to Ethereum, right, this is absolutely nothing. This is absolutely nothing, because by the end of it all, Matic is useful. It is useful to the Ethereum network and just the whole ecosystem as well. So as long as Ethereum does grow, Matic is also going to sort of obtain some favor, and the magic is going to sprinkle down to Matic as well. So this is one of the reasons why we are seeing it explosively move in terms of price appreciation. But however, you just have to be careful. I never ever recommend anybody to like jump in when things are just going crazy. If things are going crazy, right, obviously that's the best time to sort of plan your move, and you should always get in on the dumps, because there is a lot of momentum, and you always want to like you always want to like take advantage of the impulsive waves. Okay, the impulsive waves are the ones that are really going to make you a lot of money by the end of it all. So just because it's pumping, it doesn't mean that you can't get in. But the thing is, you should just time your entry properly. Okay, you have to like get in, let's say using a smaller time frame, like on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour, and just basically check the situation. So this is one of the reasons why you have to like have a basic understanding of technical analysis. But if you're a newbie and you're just trying to like throw your money left, right, you're probably going to end up losing it. So spend a lot of time educating yourself in terms of like how to find support, resistance, and how to basically, you know, find better entries. When you do that, you're probably going to end up making a lot of money. So far we have identified that Matic has awakened from its slumber, and right now we are experiencing impulsive moves. So impulsive moves are the ones that are really going to end up making you a lot of money, but you have to enter at the appropriate time. So let me give you another good example of why patience is very important. So let's take a look at Bake token. I mean, a few weeks ago, right, Bake was like very explosive, and this is just the beginning of this particular pump. This is the first wave, and it finished correcting, and it's going to continue going up to the upside. Okay, so it's going to make some more impulsive moves. However, if you did form around this particular area, right, if you did jump in at the high, you would have been feeling very bad because the price did end up dropping. So what you can do is just find the end of this particular correction. Like for example, right over here, good time to enter. Boom, you make that money, and right now it's actually dropping. Whenever it's going to reach some, you know, level, you can probably find another entry, and it's going to be like very, you know, it's going to be very profitable if the price drops down to like a new level and you take advantage of it. So those are the type of trading decisions you can be able to make. So anything which is going to be between $6 all the way down to around $5.30 is going to be like a very good re-entry level, and we're going to continue making those impulsive moves. So it's the same sort of strategy that you can apply with something which is going as parabolic as the Matic network. So I really hope that you guys had the opportunity to sort of get to buy this particular cryptocurrency when it was you know, just beginning to like wind up, you know, just beginning to like make its upward momentum. So for example, this particular entry on the 11th of May, about a week ago, that was the best time to enter into Matic because it was only 87 cents, and look at this amazing parabolic rise. So it's always good for you to like identify and pick coins that are just beginning to sort of prepare for this parabolic moves, and you know, there are different strategies and metrics that you can use to identify these particular cryptocurrencies. So this is one of the reasons why you just have to be like extremely careful and extremely vigilant, and you just have to like know the right people, know how to like look for this type of information. So a lot of you might be saying, hey Muna, why are you talking about altcoins when BTC is about to ruin the party? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I mean, we already talked about this on my YouTube channel. Yes, BTC has got the potential of going to 32,000 US dollars, but that's going to happen only if we pump and go to $48,000, because right now we actually dropped from 50k to around 42,800, 42,500, and we established some sort of support. So what we're going to experience is we're going to see some buyers stepping in, and then the price is going to be pushed either between 48,000 to 50,000. Once we get rejected at 50,000 or around 51,000 or 48,000, right? If we get a massive rejection, then the price is most likely going to come back to 42,000, and then eventually it's going to break the support at 42,000. If that happens, then there is a high probability that we're going to end up going into the mid 30Ks. So until that happens, remember the path to altcoin season. Okay, so right now it's not about BTC. It's about altcoins, okay? And what you should be interested in right about now is finding small cap, low cap, and undervalued cryptocurrencies, because large cap cryptocurrencies have already started pumping already. They've already pumped, and you're not really going to make a lot of money. So if you guys are looking for like a very good low cap altcoin that you can really get to purchase, check out Regiment Finance. So Regiment Finance is only 570,000 US dollars market cap. It's not even a 1 million evaluated, or it's not worth 1 million at this particular moment, the whole entire network. Okay, so yeah, I've already done videos about Regiment Finance. So if you want to find out more information, just go to Regiment Finance on CoinGecko. You can get it on PancakeSwap, and I guarantee you're going to make like over 100x investing in this cryptocurrency by the end of the year. So that is absolutely explosive. So instead of looking for these easy 3x 10x maximum, you can do 100x to 1000x with this particular cryptocurrency, and it's on PancakeSwap. It's not on Binance, it's only on PancakeSwap. So I'm really hoping that this thing is actually going to like help me make a good amount of money in the near future. So this is a very good low cap coin that you should be able to like have and turn into a lot when this particular phase comes, because right now the large cap cryptocurrencies are pumping. So that's all I had for you. I hope I answered a few of your questions. Matic can potentially do a 3 to 5x from now, and it can also do like a 10x eventually at the peak of the bull run. However, that's going to happen when Bitcoin goes back above 63,000 US dollars. Like once Bitcoin starts making its second wave up, then we're going to see a follow through with regards to this particular turn of events and this particular sequence of events as well. It's just going to be like a repetitive cycle. However, if we end up going into a dramatic bear market, because that's highly likely, because some people are saying the stock markets are going to end up crashing. So if we end up entirely crashing with regards to traditional markets, then Bitcoin is also going to do the same, and we might just cancel the bull run as far as cryptocurrencies are concerned. But again, I'm hearing that experts are projecting that the traditional markets are not really going to crash this year. It's not this year. So yeah, if that happens, then probably 2022, we'll see. So anyway, I'm not really going to dwell much on that, because I already know the type of things that I'm looking out for in terms of me switching my bias. So right about now, it's all about altcoins. Yes, BTC is going to continue correcting, and you just have to like get in, get out, use stable coins, and just do what you have to do. So it's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10x, and Matic, aka the Polygon network, is absolutely explosive. Just be very careful. Time your entries. It has got like some strong upside, which is very good, and this thing can absolutely do very well because it is adding value to the Ethereum network, which is actually congested and has extremely high transaction fees. So yeah, talk to you a little bit later. Bye.